Today, I'll walk you through how to use OneNote Online, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and manage your notebooks so you can organize your notes effectively. First, let's get started by navigating to OneNote. Open your web browser and go to OneNote, Cloud, Microsoft/Notebooks. This is your gateway to accessing OneNote Online. You should see a clean interface welcoming you to the platform. Once you're on the OneNote homepage, the next step is to create a new notebook. Look for the option that says Create New Notebook and click on it. This is like opening a fresh canvas for your thoughts and ideas. It's an exciting moment. Now it's time to label your notebook. A prompt will appear asking you to type in a name for your new notebook. Choose something that reflects the content you plan to store, whether it's for work, school, or personal projects. This step is crucial as it helps you stay organized. Think of it as putting a label on a box that holds your treasures. After labeling your notebook, click on the Create button. This action solidifies your choice and brings your new notebook to life. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. Once your notebook is created, it will appear on your screen, ready for you to add sections. Click on the option to add a section. This is where you can categorize your notes further, similar to chapters in a book. Each section can hold various pages, making it easier to find what you need later. Next, you can also add a page within your newly created section. Look for the Add Page option and click on it. This allows you to dive deeper into your topics, providing a space for detailed notes, lists, or even sketches. Finally, OneNote serves as a virtual notebook, offering you options to personalize it according to your preferences. You can choose how you want it to look and what content you want to include. This flexibility is akin to designing your own workspace, tailored to your unique style and needs. And there you have it. You now know how to use OneNote Online to create, label, and organize your notebooks effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.